Watch this crazy Tesla Model 3 road rage attack and chase. The Tesla was attacked by pickup truck drivers who threw things at the car. What is all these sparks coming out of the back of this truck? Good Lord.
What was getting food?
Don't need the audio? You're just going to break it down for us.
Yeah, there was apparent, I guess, beef with these two pickup trucks and this Tesla. The Tesla kind of just sped away, and realizing that these two trucks were kind of following them.
Mm-hmm.
And they were throwing rocks. They were throwing drinks at them.
Why?
We don't know yet. The altercation is still unknown, but the Tesla managed to grab the footage and record it and have all this footage of these cars just chasing him. So I guess the Tesla driver decided to just go into a little intersection, and he gets trapped there, but he manages to escape. It's very crazy. It's all this stuff happening.
High-speed chase, through an apartment complex or whatever this is.
A plaza.
Or a hotel.
Yeah. And
he got the performance version. Look at him. He's flying.
he tries to speed away, but apparently he doesn't want a ticket or anything. He also called the cops.
Right.
But repeatedly, the cops said that, is this a really bad situation? If it's not, then we're just going to totally ignore it. But this guy is clearly in a bad situation. But the 911 operator kept on saying that it wasn't.
I saw somebody just mention that he should just drive to a police station.
That's what he did afterwards.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But what if he just goes straight there right now? He just hops on the nav, types police station real quick.
He could have, yeah.
These people,
I guess in this panic, he decided to maybe outrun. But he did unsuccessfully.
Right.
And this whole chase
20-minute long high-speed pursuit in and out of parking lots. He realized they weren't going to stop, and he wasn't going to get any help from police. What a crazy experience.
Mm-hmm.
Something must have happened. I mean, these guys just
we don't
flip
know.
out for no reason. Oh, here, is this where the sparks happen? Oh, was that a bottle?
Throws a
can of soda.
Yeah.
And it shattered the window.
No.
Whoa, that was just liquid?
It was just liquid. Just the light of it kind of Yeah, it's a very scary situation. But luckily the Tesla and its many cameras are able to capture
all of it. Okay, so see, this guy throws the drink, and then what? And then he's happy with that? That's good enough for him?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, weird.
And then he finally loses the tail, and then he just drives to the police station.
Listen, that's something that everybody needs to know, that all the would-be Tesla harassers need to know that the thing's recording 360 at all times. So it's
at all times, right?
It's definitely capturing you.
We've got footage of people keying cars, like Teslas, right?
Yeah, it's a sentry mode, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So
just got to be careful out there.
I guess so.
Yeah.
He drove to the police station and tried to show them a Tesla cam video, but they reportedly refused to watch it or help him. Fortunately, he was able to file a police report and show other officers the video at a later date. The officers came to his house and watched the video. However, he says they still haven't gotten back to him about the incident. Well, I don't even know what the charge is at that point. I guess reckless driving or something, the way those people were driving. But who knows?
Who knows?